I'm just testing my, I'm just doing this as a test to see how this works because I'm not sure if this Audacity, how well it's going to work. So I'm just testing to see this video, see how well everything goes around, see if it works good enough, see if I need to do anything different. So I'm just going to say random crap while whoever wants to listen wants to listen. So anyway, I'm just running along, shoot that guy, shoot the guy, shoot the guy. Okay. If anybody knows a better way to record than Audacity, I'd be glad to listen. I'm getting a capture card, Christmas, and I'm just playing around. I'm not really trying, so please don't anybody say that I suck, alright? But anyway, recording, yes. I'm gonna start doing commentaries because the commentaries will be like free-for-alls and team deathmatches and Call of Duty games. And that's just what I've been wanting to do, so that's what I'm going to do. If this Audacity works and I can get everything working, it'll make it a whole lot easier and a whole lot faster for me to do this. And it's really annoying, this mission, because, well, we just have to wait right here until the truck decides it wants to come. There we go. I mean, how'd that not kill him? Die, please? Thank you. Drive away. Good boys. Now, keep it going. Hello? Can you all move? I don't like you. Don't like you. Don't. Sir, please get out of my way. Out of the way. Come on. Thank you. My golden chair I shall have. My golden chair. How lovely. Okay, now we get to watch a big boom boom. Speedy. Wow. If anybody knows what that says on that thing right there, you might be able to see it right there. It means big whore, I think. So just saying. Okay, boom. Fence is wobbling, everything else is going around. Guy. Okay, I guess we're on the road again. Hey Donna. Hey Bigfoot. Hey curb stomper. Curb stop. Okay, Spanny, Spanny, Spanny. If anybody knows a better way to record with Dazzler, because right now I'm just using gay cap. Yeah, right now I'm just using a gay webcam, Xbox I'm borrowing. I don't even own it, but I've just been wanting to do commentaries of videos for a while, and I just want to know how to do it. And I'm not really sure because I'm not good at using technology. I'm only good at playing it. So I'm just gonna spin around. Hey, sir, I'm gonna shoot you. Bored. But testing. Anyway, still testing. Are they armed? No. Am I armed? Yes. Run away. Run. That's right, run. Fear me. Yes, he's armed. Why don't I just shoot him? Trucks are supposed to blow up. Why don't you blow up? Anyway, I do not like Black Ops. Just putting it out there, I do not like Black Ops. I think it's a downgrade from Modern Warfare 2, and it's no way as good. They shouldn't have made it. They should have at least put more effort into it, put better graphics, put better levels, more levels for Nazi zombies. I mean, they only have 2 levels of Nazi zombies. Campaign was pretty good. I just didn't like the original Call of Duty. It wasn't the original Call of Duty format. Because I like Infinity Ward a whole lot better than Treyarch. Just me, I think, but just the way I am. So, driving along, and my big thing, pushing through some enemy niggers. Sorry, shouldn't say that word. Do not say that word. Okay, keep driving, shoot you, shoot the car, shoot that car, shoot my teammate, I'm about to get blown up. Run inside before I die. That'd be bad. Like that. I mean, one shot on recruit. Well, just shoot him then. Die. Bad boy. Do I really care? No. Do I really want to care? No. Do you really care? I hope not. Hey there. Ah, 360. Okay, there's a guy right there. Nope, I'm wrong. Okay, there's a guy right there. Nope. Oh, right there. Yep, two. Keep running around that boy. By the way, there's enemy intel right there in campaign. What does this FAL have? Extended mags? I mean, really? Sorry. Didn't notice there's a guy there. Okay, that's it. Have a good one.